Okay, let's talk about concealers, shall we? So आज की वीडियो में I'm gonna talk about concealers, the best 5 concealers ever. अगर आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो या फिर आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते हो या फिर आपको अपनी खुद की किट के लिए कंसीलर की तलाश है जो कि बहुत अच्छा हो और एज फॉर मी द बेस्ट हो, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. कीप वॉचिंग एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू विल लर्न अ लॉट. Okay, so let's talk about concealers. So these are the best 5 concealers for me. अभी 2021 I think आधा जा चुका है and अभी तक I am mostly kind of reaching out to these concealers and it was really difficult for me to narrow it down to 5 concealers. So the first concealer which has made it to the list, which I think I use the most and mostly मैं रोज़ यूज़ करती हूँ, और वो है Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. सो इट इज़ अ ड्रग स्टोर कंसीलर, जैसा कि सबको पता ही है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजिली अवेलेबल होता है. द कवरेज इज़ वेरी वेरी नाइस. इट्स अ फुल कवरेज कंसीलर एंड super creamy. Like, where do you get to see this great combination? It's a long wear concealer. It will not crease on you whatsoever. I'll quickly show you the swatch. So I use 2 shades when I want a full coverage, under eyes, nicely covered under eyes. So the first shade which I use is called Nude. अब हर country में अलग-अलग shades भी मिलते हैं. So this is the nude color, which is a little darker or similar to my skin tone, and this is a light color which is a little brighter. So when I want a full coverage I would use these two, and आप ये combination मेरे काफ़ी concealers में देखोगे. When I'm like on the go and I'm okay with not concealing my पूरे dark circles, then I would just use light on myself, like over the foundation or something. Anyway, let me just quickly show you the concealer. इसकी जो कंसीलर की बेस्ट पार्ट ये है, अगर आप अपने लिए खुद के लिए स्पेशली यूज़ करना चाहते हो, कि इट कम्स विद अ कुशन टिप. आप इसको ऐसे रिवॉल्व करते हो एंड आपका प्रोडक्ट स्पंज पे बाहर आता है. एंड आई जस्ट शो यू द स्वॉच रियली क्विकली. सो दिस इज़ द न्यूड शेड विच इज़ लाइक दिस, ओके. एंड देन द सेकेंड शेड विच आई यूज़ ऑन माई सेल्फ इज़ लाइट शेड. oops, that's a lot. So these are the 2 colors. It's a beautiful product. मैं इसको कैसे लगाती हूँ? I would use the nude color first onto like under my eyes, specifically जहाँ पे मुझे ज़्यादा dark जो area लगता है. कभी कभी I would just apply on the inner side of my eye. Sometimes I would also apply on the outer corner, just like under the eye but outer corner. I would just blend it. And उसके बाद I would use the lighter color and then also apply. अब it depends how my eyes are that day or how I want my coverage or what kind of effect I want. If I want a lifted effect, then I would just apply it complete like V. If I just want like nice normal under eye highlighted effect, nothing too crazy, then I would just apply on the inner corner, making a little inverted kind of triangle, if that makes sense. And yeah, so these are the 2 concealers. मैं generally beauty blender से ही blend करती हूँ and it gives out a beautiful effect. Price wise, I think they are very pocket friendly. The amount of product you get is actually really nice. For I think ये normally 600 के आसपास retail करते हैं, and if you buy दिस कंसीलर जो कि हमेशा ऑफ़र पे होता है काफ़ी बारी, तो ये आपको और अच्छे रेंज पे मिल सकता है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू डू अ लिटिल रिसर्च ऑनलाइन. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग लाइक नाइका पे मिल सकता है, एंड अगर आपको मॉल्स में जाके लेना तो लाइफस्टाइल वगैरह पे बहुत ज़्यादा ईजिली मिलता है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडिया. Okay, so this is the concealer which I really love. Honestly, I cannot live without this concealer. This has to be in my kit, and this is not a new launch at all. ये बहुत पुराना है. I have been using it, I don't know from how many years, and yeah, so this is what I really like. Another thing I really want you guys to understand is the texture. So whenever you apply concealer, try to blend it and try to feel the texture and the consistency of the product. अगर आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते हो या फिर अपने लिए भी समझ एक प्रोडक्ट को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You need to fall in love with the product. Whenever I blend this concealer, I need to like literally close my eyes and feel the texture. It's super creamy, it's super blendable, that's for sure. And uske baad I like to tap the concealer like this, just to kind of see when I'm doing this, is my skin kind of visible, to see ye full coverage hai ya medium coverage hai ya sheer coverage hai. So that's how you kind of understand your concealers. If you have lot of under eye lines. If you have dry under eyes, then this concealer will do magic to you. अगर आप इसको already use कर रहे हो ना, आपको concealer नहीं पसंद है, then maybe you're not using it the right way, because कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम लोग concealer से ही उठाते हैं अपनी skin के लिए, but the powder that we use to set it is sometimes not very nice. So you also need to understand that kind of combination also, but उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे बाद में. फिलहाल we're talking about concealers. Okay, so the next concealer, which is in my top 5 list, I think you must have seen me using this concealer a lot in my IGTVs, in tutorials and all those things. It is actually a high-end concealer, and like if you really want to, you know, kind of indulge yourself into little luxury, just want to treat yourself, then please go ahead and try this concealer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer, and this is literally, I would say, magic. A magical potion in a bottle. It's such a beautiful product. So I use the shade 1W in this, and मेरे पास ये एक ही है, because I think the shade which 1W is has enough yellow to cancel out any darkness, and it kind of gives me nice uplifted effect. I'm gonna quickly show you how the wand is like and how this product is. So it has got a nice thick wand. इसका जो applicator है, it's quite thick. Which actually sometimes it's really nice. It's kind of fun to play around with a thick wand, and you know, because just with one swipe you get a very good coverage. So I'll just show you the swatch of this particular shade. So this is my highlighting concealer, my only one concealer. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा light भी लग रहा है अभी, so trust me, when you start blending this concealer, actually it's like really wonderful. So again, I would apply generally on the inner side. If required, then I would go on to the outer corners as well. Apply a nice, you know, layer. It's quite thick, it's quite creamy, it's super blendable, and coverage wise it is absolutely insane. Like if you like good coverage, and if you like a dewy concealer, if you want something which is not too matte, because you know, अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा under eye lines है, तो obviously going for a matte concealer is not a good idea. And if you want something which is really hydrating, nourishing, yet gives you a good coverage to your under eyes, then this is something which you should definitely go for, because I know this is a bit expensive. I think इसकी price range यहाँ पे 27 pound का मिलता है शायद, but India में I think 3000 के आसपास का होता है. So you can check different websites, or I think Nykaa also does Dior concealers. Please have a look. I'm not too sure, and I'll try to find the links if I can. जो भी मुझे links मिलेंगे, I'll try to insert in the description box below. Whenever you're feeling little, you know, bad and bougie, then you can always try this concealer, and it is insane. That's all I can say. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, so the next concealer is a drugstore concealer. So I really wanted to give you guys options in between drugstore and, you know, high-end range. So the next one is the drugstore one. I think a lot of you must be using this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and this is again a great product. I mean, you just need to have an eye for the right product, and ड्रग स्टोर में भी आपको अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, एंड आपको हाई एंड में भी अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. एंड आई डू थिंक बीइंग अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो, योर किड शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ मिक्स वर्जन ऑफ like drugstore products and high-end. So the shades I use particularly in this one is 329 and 327. I'll quickly show you the little swatch and how the wand is. So the wand is again little thick. Okay, a lot of people also call this one as the dupe for Tarte Shape Tape, and sometimes people also call it as a dupe for Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the shade 329, and this is like a little darker or similar tone, half tone darker, थोड़ा सा oxidized भी होता है. And the other shade which I use to brighten up is the 327, which is this one. Again, depending upon what kind of coverage I want. I know Tarte Shape Tape is a beautiful concealer, and honestly I've used that a lot. But now I also feel that it is not actually, you know, super meant for me because of, you know, under eye lines and all those things. It kind of settles down there, but it's a nice full coverage concealer. So but अब ये वाला जो concealer है, I think Tarte Shape Tape has also come up with a hydrating one. I haven't tried that yet, but anyway, इसको dupe बोलते हैं, but trust me, it is a better dupe. It's not exactly same. It is a full coverage matte finish concealer, but it is not matte to that level कि ये अंडर आई में crease करेगा. It's definitely full coverage. It is, I would say, a little water resistant also, and it is not that heavy on your under eyes, that is for sure. So it is kind of non-greasy. It is not like, you know, just say, how would I say, like, we're not talking about cream concealers here, which I would in a different, you know, video. Abhi hum sirf liquid concealers ki baat kar rahe hain. So you know, if you have used the Kevyn Aucoin one, so that is kind of really thick concealer. So this is not that. It is a full coverage. It is matte, but it is a beautiful product. Like, I can carry this one easily. And ड्रग स्टोर की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो इंडिया में यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई दी कलर बार वन. इट इज़ ऑल्सो एक्चुअली रियली नाइस. अगेन द सेम वे आई यूज़ इट. फर्स्ट आई यूज़ अ डार्क कलर just to kind of cancel out any darkness under my eyes and nicely blend that part, and then I go ahead with the lighter concealer just to kind of give a highlighted, you know, like super snatched kind of look. And yeah, that's it. So this is one concealer which definitely makes it to the best 5 concealer. Okay, so moving on to the next concealer. Now this concealer is again a high-end concealer. This is actually a really recent find. I think I was vlogging when I bought this concealer. This is actually the Pat McGrath concealer. This is, oh my god, it's like, मैं इसको बहुत यूज़ कर रही हूँ आजकल because it is actually my recent find, and I'm really enjoying, you know, experimenting with the texture, with the consistency, and kind of, you know, see how it, you know, looks in this light and that light and all those things. But I'm really enjoying. So the shade which I got was the LM10 and L7. So LM10 being a little darker than the L7. Again, the same concept कि एक highlighting concealer है, and the other one is just to, you know, kind of cancel out the darkness. If you are somebody who enjoys using orange corrector on yourself, then use that first, and then on top of that you can easily go with the highlighting concealer. But I'm somebody who likes this camouflaging kind of technique a little better. So this is the LM10 for you guys, and oh god, the texture is so smooth. It is a weightless concealer, super creamy, high coverage, and just so beautiful. I loved it. And guys, this is next level. Like, I'm just like kind of, you know, enjoying. Now this is also a creamy concealer. It is some people also call it semi matte, but for me it has been like a creamy concealer. It is not as creamy as the Maybelline one, but it is just right to make you feel weightless under your eyes. You know, stay there for longer hours. If you have problems, some people do have problem with, you know, Maybelline concealer कि वो जल्दी से ज़्यादा long lasting नहीं रहता. मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होता, but I'm just saying then this would be a good concealer. Again, this retails for around 27 pounds here. It's beautiful, trust me. I just love this concealer. And the best part is the finish is very how do I say, it's very silky. It has got a silky texture to it, and the more you blend, you can just like it doesn't shears out. That's the best part. So this is my latest find, and I'm enjoying wearing this concealer a lot lately. Yeah, so if you want to experiment with something new and you know, something which is tried and tested, then you need to go for this, because this is working tremendously well for me. At least मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. And yeah, so Pat McGrath or Pat McGrath, how do you pronounce it? Pat McGrath Labs concealer. Okay, so the next concealer which I've got for you guys is actually not a drugstore concealer, I would say, but the price range wise, it is quite right in the middle. It retails for around 1400, and I'm talking about the concealer which again I really like is from Viseart. So Viseart concealers are again bomb concealer, I would say. They are full coverage, they blend into the skin nicely, and they not just conceal or, you know, camouflage the problem areas. It has a kind of technology which also kind of illuminate your under eyes nice and bright and looks super perfect, camera perfect, I would say. Yeah, so I use the shade Warm Vanilla, which is again my camouflaging shade. And then see the texture, the wand is super thin in this one, like this. The second one which I use is Shell, or sometimes Dune also. Abhi I have Shell here with me, which is a super highlighting concealer. So agar mujhe khali Shell use karna, I need to kind of make sure that I'm using a camouflaging shade, otherwise it will be too bright for me as well. Otherwise Dune is a great shade to go for. And this is how this concealer looks like. The wand is nice, it's very thin. So again, I'm giving you both the options, cushion tip, thick wand, and thin wands as well. And when you kind of start blending it, it's nice. Like, I would say it's a semi matte concealer. It is not again like super drying, I would say. Obviously अगर semi matte concealer को अगर आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा drying powder से set करोगे, so obviously it will be making your under eye super dry. So we have to kind of play around with that combination also, like I said, and it blends so beautifully. So these are the two shades which I use. Again, it's a radiant concealer, full coverage. For me, it is like a little semi matte and weightless. It doesn't feel, you know, sticky or tacky under your eyes, even if it is a full coverage concealer. This is the concealer which makes it to the best 5 concealer, and yeah, I quite like it. So this brings to the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot and grabbed some nice names of concealer which are all, you know, tried and tested by me. So these were my best 5 concealers, and do let me know in the comment section below right now कि क्या आप लोग इनमें से कोई concealers already use कर रहे. Okay, so I'll see you very very soon in my next video, and hopefully for a makeup tutorial, but don't tell anyone. You know what, बता दो, कोई बात नहीं. But just wait for the next video coming up this weekend for all of you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment below. I will see you